Hi guys! Welcome sa enginerdmath channel. Sa video na to ay tuturo ko sa inyo ang right triangle similarity theorem. So kung gusto nyo itong matutunan, just keep on watching. Okay, so this time is ituturo ko naman sa inyo yung right triangle similarity theorem. So part pa rin ito ng series of videos natin for similar triangles. So pwede nyo ring panoorin yung previous video ko about similar triangles. Okay? So ano ba yung right triangle similarity theorem na i-discuss natin? So basahin natin yung theorem. So sabi, the altitude to the hypotenuse of a right triangle separates the right triangle into two triangles which are similar to each other and to the original triangle. Okay, so meron tayong illustration dito. So meron daw tayong right triangle ABC with altitude as CD. Okay? So angle C natin yung 90 degree and then yung side AB yung hypotenuse. So kaya tinawag natin na yung CD is altitude to hypotenuse. Okay? So, dapat perpendicular yung segment CD dito sa hypotenuse AB kasi nga altitude siya. Denoted by this 90 degree angle. So, sabi dito sa theorem, madidivide daw nitong altitude CD, itong right triangle, into two triangles na similar sa isa't isa at similar doon sa mismong triangle ABC. So, ano yung mga similar triangles na mabubuo? So, una, itong triangle ADC. So, triangle ADC, okay, is similar siya dito sa triangle ECB. Yung mismong pinaka-original right triangle natin. Okay? Another is itong triangle CDB naman. So, CDB, okay, is similar din sa original triangle ACB. So, similar siya dito sa right triangle ECB. Okay? And lastly, yung dalawang triangle natin na ADC tsaka CDB, so dahil pareho silang similar dito sa original triangle ACB, dapat similar din sila sa isa't isa. So, triangle ADC is similar to triangle CDB. So, triangle ADC is similar sa triangle CDB. Okay, so be careful kapag nag-a-assign uli kayo ng similar triangles. Dapat yung corresponding angles nila is nasa proper order. So ito dapat yung proper namings natin nung order ng letters dun sa pangalan natin doon sa bawat similar triangles. Okay? Now, knowing na meron tayong nabuo na similar triangles, meron din tayong pwedeng ma-derive na equation. So, ito yung mga equations na pwede nating ma-form. So, sabi, yung una, the altitude to the hypotenuse is the geometric mean between the segments into which it separates the hypotenuse. So, in equation, pwede nating masabi na AD over CD is equal to CD over BD, or pag nire-arrange natin itong equation, pwede nating masabi na CD is equal to square root ng AD times BD. So, kasi base dito sa definition, yung altitude to the hypotenuse daw, which is CD, right? So, CD is siya yung geometric mean between the segments into which it separates the hypotenuse. So, yung segment nitong hypotenuse AB na sineparate nitong altitude CD is what? Itong AD tsaka itong BD. Right? So, kaya itong CD is geometric mean nitong AD tsaka BD. So, yung formula natin is CD is equal to square root ng AD times BD. By definition ng geometric mean sa algebra. Okay? Next equation is, sabi, each leg is a geometric mean between the hypotenuse and the segment of the hypotenuse adjacent to the leg. So, meron tayong dalawang leg, so meron din tayong dapat dalawang equations na mabubuo. So, yung una is AB over AC is equal to AC over AD, or other form is AC is equal to square root of AB times AD, and AB over BC is equal to BC over BD, or BC is equal to square root of AB times BD. So, doon muna tayo sa isang leg. So, para dito sa leg AC, so base dito sa second equation natin, dapat daw yung leg is geometric mean between the hypotenuse and the segment of the hypotenuse adjacent to the leg. So, pag yun sila muna na itong leg AC, so geometric mean daw siya dito sa hypotenuse AB, okay? At doon sa segment na adjacent dito sa leg AC. So, pag sinabi natin adjacent, yung segment na close dito sa AC, which is itong AD, right? Okay? So, kaya meron tayong equation na yung AC is equal dito sa square root nung AB times AD. Kasi geometric mean nga itong AC dito sa AB at AD. Okay? Now, para naman dito sa other leg, BC, okay? So, geometric mean naman siya, again, sa hypotenuse AB uli, at doon sa segment na adjacent sa kanya, which is this time is itong BD. Okay? So, kaya meron tayong formula na BC is equal to square root ng AB times BD. Okay? So, natandaan nyo lang itong mga na-derive nating equations kapag meron tayong altitude to hypotenuse sa isang right triangle. So, unang-una, masaseparate ng altitude to hypotenuse na yon yung right triangle into two similar triangles. So, kaya derive natin itong mga equations na to. Using the concept na proportional yung segments ng similar triangles. Okay? So, let's try to solve some examples para ma-illustrate natin ang right triangle similarity theorem. So, given triangle TRI with altitude RM, so meron tayong A, B, C, D, E, F question. So, muna tayo sa A. So, name the three similar triangles. Okay, so, meron tayong given triangle TRI. Okay, so right triangle siya. Yung 90 degree natin is itong angle R. Tapos, yung altitude RM daw, siya yung altitude to hypotenuse. Okay, so yung hypotenuse natin is itong TI. So, pangalanan natin yung three similar triangles. So, for A, so base dun kanina, dapat proper yung order ng namings natin. Dapat corresponding angles. So, yung una is, pwede itong triangle TMR. Okay, TMR. Similar siya dapat sa original triangle TRI. Okay, so TRI. Similar to triangle TRI. So, ito yung proper order ng naming nung angles nung dalawang similar triangles. Okay? Next. This time, pwede rin yung triangle RMI. So, triangle RMI. Okay, so triangle RMI, similar din dun sa same original triangle, TRI. So, triangle TRI. Okay, so similar sa triangle TRI. And then lastly, para sa third similar triangles is, dahil pareho silang similar dito sa triangle TRI, itong triangle TMR at triangle RMI, similar na rin sila sa isa't isa. So, triangle TMR, so kopyahin nyo lang kung paano yung naming, similar to triangle RMI. Okay, so itong TMR, similar dito sa triangle RMI. Okay, so ito yung tatlong similar triangles natin na mabubuo. Next for B, if IM is equal to 10 and RM is equal to 8, find TM. Sige, kopyahin natin yung given figure, labelan natin. So, sabi for B, IM daw is equal to 10. So, IM, right? RM is equal to 8. Okay? Tapos, hanapin daw natin itong TM. So, TM is this side. So, let's say X. So, base dun sa mga nabuo nating equations, ano yung pwede nating gamitin? So, meron kasi tayong altitude to hypotenuse RM at yung dalawang segments ng hypotenuse IM tsaka TM. So, pwede natin gamitin yung equation na itong RM is the geometric mean nitong IM tsaka TM. So, RM is equal to square root ng IM at TM. So, substitute natin yung mga values. Meron tayong 8 for RM equal to square root ng IM is 10 times TM is unknown or X. So, solve lang natin itong equation for X. So, square natin both sides. So, we have 8 square 64 equal to, cancel yung square root. So, magiging 10x. Then, divide both sides by 10. So, masasolve natin si x or yung TM nga, which is 64 over 10 or 6.4. So, therefore, TM is 6.4. Okay? Next, for C naman, IT is equal to 25 and TM is equal to 5. Find RM. So, copy uli natin yung figure. So, sabi sa C, si IT daw is 25. So, IT, itong hypotenuse, 25. Tapos, si TM is 5. TM is 5. Find RM. So, itong RM. So, ano yung pwede natin gawing equation dito? So, pwede ulit natin gamitin yung RM is equal to square root ng IM times TM. Yun nga lang, wala tayong IM this time. Right? Pero, pwede nating makuha yon kasi given naman yung whole length nitong TI, yung hypotenuse, which is 25, tsaka itong TM. Bale, itong IM is, pag sinubtract natin itong 25 minus 5, equal siya doon. Right? So, therefore, IM is 25 minus 5 is 20. So, plug in na natin dito. So, RM yung hinahanap, unknown, equal to square root ng IM, which is itong 20, times TM, which is 5. So, square root of 20 times 5 is 100, or square root ng 100, RM is 10. Okay? Next, let's have B. If IT is equal to 8 and TM is equal to 2, find TR. Okay, so copy uli natin yung figure. So, this time for D, so sabi, IT is equal to 8. So, IT, yung whole hypotenuse is equal to 8. And then, TM is 2. So, TM daw is 2. Find TR. So, TR is this length. So, let's say X. So, ano yung pwede natin gamiting equation dito? So, dahil meron tayong involved na leg TR, as well as yung hypotenuse TI, at yung adjacent dito sa leg TR na TM, pwede natin gamitin yung formula na yung TR is the geometric mean ng TM at TI. So, therefore, TR is equal to square root ng TM times TI. Okay? So, TR, which is X, is equal to square root ng TM, which is 2, times TI, which is 8. So, square root of 2 times 8 or 16 is X is square root of 16 or 4. So, therefore, TR is equal to 4. Okay? Next for E, we have IR is equal to 9, IM is equal to 7, find TM. So, copy uli natin yung figure. So, again, for E, we have IR is equal to 9, IM is equal to 7, find TM. So, IR is equal to 9, IM is equal to 7, find TM. So, hanapin daw natin itong TM. Let's say X. So, ano yung pwede natin gawing equation? So, pwede naman natin gawin yung equation for the leg IR na geometric mean siya dito sa hypotenuse TI at yung adjacent sa leg IR which is itong IM. So therefore, we have IR is equal to square root ng TI times IM. So substitute natin, we have IR is equal to 9 equal to square root ng, so itong TI, yung hypotenuse, is pwede nating makuha by adding TM plus IM. So yung TM is X plus IM is 7. Okay? And then itong IM is 7. So solving this equation for X, so square muna natin both sides. So we have 9 square is 81 equal to, so cancel yung square root, magiging X plus 7 times 7. So we have 81 is equal to, distribute yung 7, 7x plus 49. Then transpose yung 49 sa left, we have 81 minus 49 equal to 7x. So what is 81 minus 49? We have 32 equal to 7x. Divide both sides by 7. So masasolve natin si x or itong TM which is 32 over 7. Okay? Lastly, for letter F, we have TR is equal to 5, IM is equal to 6, find RM. So, copy uli natin yung figure. So, labelan natin yung given. So, TR is 5. Then, IM is 6. Find RM. So, IM is 6. Find daw itong RM. Let's say X. So, ano yung pwede natin gamitin dito? So, pwede ko munang isolve itong TM. Let's say Y. Masasolve ko yon using the formula kanina na TR is equal to square root ng TM times TI. Right? And then, pag nasolve ko itong Y, which is TM, magagamit ko naman yung formula na RM is equal to square root ng TM times IM. Okay? So, gamitin ko muna itong formula na to. So, TR is equal to 5 is equal to square root ng TM, which is Y, times TI, which is yung sum nitong TM plus IM. So, Y plus 6. Then, solve ko itong equation for Y. So, square natin both sides. So, we have 5 squared is equal to 25 equal to, cancel yung square root, Y times Y plus 6. So, we have 25 is equal to, distribute yung Y squared plus 6Y. So, meron tayong quadratic equation. So, transpose ko na lang itong 25 sa right side sa magiging 0 is equal to Y squared plus 6Y minus 25. So, gamitin ko yung quadratic formula to solve for Y. So, Y is equal to negative B plus minus square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. So, yung A natin is yung numerical coefficient ng Y squared which is 1. Yung B yung numerical coefficient ng Y term which is 6. And yung C is yung constant, negative 25. So, Y is equal to negative 6 plus minus square root of 6 squared minus 4 times A, which is 1, times C, which is negative 25, over 2 times A, which is 1. So, we have Y is equal to negative 6 plus minus square root of 6 squared is 36. So, negative 4 times 1 times negative 25 is positive 100 over 2. So, Y is equal to negative 6 plus minus square root of 36 plus 100 is 136 divided by 2. So, dahil meron tayong dalawang roots, kukunin lang natin yung magiging positive solution. Kasi kapag meron tayong negative solution, hindi natin i-accept yon para maging length, right? Kasi wala tayong negative length ng side ng triangle. So, obviously, gagamitin lang natin is yung y is equal to negative 6 plus square root ng 136 over 2. Or approximately, using calculator, it is equal to what? 2.83. Okay? So, ito na yung y natin or yung tm, right? So, using this formula for rm or yung nilat nating x is equal to square root of tm, which is 2.83, yung nakuha natin, times im, which is 6. So, we have x is equal to, using calculator, square root of 2.83 times 6 is approximately 4.12. So, therefore, ito na yung RM natin. 4.12. Okay? Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Right triangle similarity theorem. So, sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to at maraming salamat sa panonood.